Ho, 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 and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, a holiday special Muddy River Mixology Monday. We're here at Muddy River Distillery, North Carolina's oldest legal rum distillery. I'm Robbie. This is Caroline. Caroline, what are we doing for this holiday season?
This week we are doing a Coquito. It's a traditional Puerto Rican eggnog, but with coconut, and I'm really excited to give it a try.
Alright, so what rum do we use for a Coquito?
We're going to start with our silver rum for this, but this is a great option if you want to have a Coquito bar for a holiday party. Any of the rums will be great to add afterwards. Just start off making the Coquito alcohol-free and then have each of the rums. The spice rum would be great in it. The coconut rum would mix perfectly with the coconut milk and creamy cocoa.
And our Queen Charlotte's.
And Queen Charlotte would be great as well. But traditionally, it is with a white rum or silver rum. So we are using our silver rum today.
Nice. All of our rums are available for sale in your local liquor store. You can also buy us online in Illinois at Bigfish Spirits. We'll link that in the description below along with the recipe and other information about us. We do tours every Saturday at 1, 2, and 3 where you come visit the distillery, see what we've got going on, and purchase our products. So, I guess it's time to get started. What do we do first?
Alright, we're using a lot of cans this time, so it makes it pretty easy. And you can batch this up in a big batch as well. It stores well in the fridge. We are starting with cream de cocoa and coconut milk.
Right.
1 can of each. And also a can of sweetened and condensed milk and evaporated milk. So it'll take a while to scoop all those out of the cans.
Oh. All right.
Next, we are adding a 4th teaspoon of cinnamon,
Got it.
an 1/8 teaspoon nutmeg, an 1/8 teaspoon of cloves as well.
All right. What's next?
And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, this is bringing me home. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Then blend all that together. Oh wait, we didn't add the rum.
Oh, you add the rum first.
Yes.
All right. So 1.5 cups of rum.
1.5 cups of silver rum. It looks like a lot of rum, but this is a big batch for a lot of people.
I don't think it looks like that much rum.
I mean, yeah, you could add more afterwards if you want.
All right. So
No judgment
half
here.
a rum. Silver Carolina rum going in. And we're ready for the blender, right?
Now blend it up.
All right. Special thanks to Daryl and Annabelle, Caroline's sister, for the blender. It is a beast, but it makes some weird sounds.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth...
Good?
Yeah, looks nice and frothy to me.
Yeah.
Oh,
So this is Puerto Rico's version of a
eggnog.
eggnog.
Mhm.
Mostly coconut.
And you want to serve this chilled.
All right, so you ready to pour?
Yeah.
Pour aggressively. That's for you. And for me. And let's...
Garnish with the cinnamon stick, and we also got some star anise too. Those are fun to float on top.
Yeah, really.
Ooh, oh, another one.
Oh, yeah, me too then.
Very
Cool.
pretty. Oh, mine looks like a face.
Yeah, mine,
Eyes and a nose.
mine does too.
Snowman face.
I'll tell you what yours looks like. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
The This is the Coquito.
That is like an eggnog. Same consistency and everything. I think I actually prefer this to an eggnog, even though your mom makes a fabulous eggnog.
Yeah.
Well, she uses Queen Charlotte for the eggnog.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's next level.
Oh yeah, there was much debate online whether the Coquito uses eggs or not. We decided to go no eggs for this version because it's easier to sit out longer if you're having a party. You don't have to worry about it being out.
And what do you take the rest of this? You chill it in the fridge and you can put it in containers so that it keeps going until the new year.
Yeah.
Now, or at our family, probably the end of the day. All right, well, we hope you enjoyed this video. Link to the recipe is in the description below. You can find more information about Muddy River Distillery by visiting our website, www.muddyriverdistillery.com. Our products are for sale in your local ABC stores, also online in Illinois with Bigfish Spirits. And that's it. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from the Delaney's and Muddy River Distillery.
Cheers. Oh, if you have any drinks you want us to make, please put that in the comments below and we'll make some of those as well.
Yeah, we're up for recommendations since we do this every Monday. We need a lot of different options. Also, like and subscribe.